So I buy almost everything online these days. I realized that when I went to the shopping mall the other day for the first time in so many years, I can't even remember. So today I want to talk to you about how to do shopping online, especially focusing on Amazon. Amazon, the big online retailer. So stay tuned. Whether you're a big computer user or whether you like doing things on your phone, you can do a lot of shopping online. Frankly, I can't even believe it. I My wife is not terribly tech savvy, but once she got a hold of how to shop online, wow, she took off like a bandit. She could really do shopping online. So that's something that I want to talk to you about today. And I would like to use Amazon as the example. Amazon pretty much is the premier online retailer today, and they do a huge amount of business. And whether you're doing it on the computer or on your phone, it's easy. And it's so easy to spend money, it's scary. They have everything from toilet paper to large appliances. And when you buy it there, they will ship it directly to your house. So it's really easy. The shipping times are super fast. They'll come to your house in a matter of days, sometimes the same day you can have something delivered. I ordered something today online and it's coming between 5 and 10 p.m. today. So what you do is once you get onto Amazon.com, just go to the website and establish an account. And that's the same way you establish an email account or any other types of accounts. You'll enter in a user ID and a password and you'll get up and running. You can even get searching without setting up the account if you want to get a look at what it looks like. You get in there and you just type into the search bar for whatever you're looking for. And you'll be able to find products just about under any title or any name. And if you don't find what you're looking for immediately, try changing the search words just like you would in a Google search. Just look for different things and you'll find there's hundreds, perhaps thousands of products that are suggested to you in the search results. So try that on your computer. You can also do that right on your phone, and I'll show you a little bit about what that looks like here too. There are some things that you want to be thinking about when you're searching. Compare your prices on Amazon compared to anywhere else that you might shop. You may like going to some retailers in the brick and mortar stores, as they call them. Walmart, for example, or any of the others local to you. They are oftentimes comparable, but sometimes cheaper in the physical stores or in Amazon. So take a close look at that. When you find the item that you'd like to buy, you just move it into your shopping cart. And when you click on Add to Cart, then it will appear in your cart for purchase. You can add additional items into your cart and then you can click through to your shopping cart and actually make those purchases. When you're making your purchase, you'll need to enter a payment method. This would be a credit card or a debit card, for example. Consider Prime membership. If you become an Amazon shopper on a regular basis, it's worth it taking a look at Prime because Prime will do free shipping for you, and that it doesn't matter what size your purchase is, most items will be shipped to you for free when you purchase them. So you can buy all day long and packages will keep arriving to your house. So consider Prime as a way to do that. I do have a couple of cautions regarding Amazon. It's an Amazon, it's a marketplace. And so it's not just Amazon as the retailer, but they also host third-party sellers. And a lot of them get on there and sell direct to you through Amazon as their storefront. So when you purchase or choose to purchase an item, take a close look at who the seller is. You'll see that online in the item where it should say either Amazon or a third party's name will appear there. And that's where, if you are buying from a third party seller, check their ratings and make sure that they're a good retailer to purchase from. And they may have different return policies as well, so take a close look at that. By the way, most of the items that you buy from Amazon, they include free returns, meaning that if you don't like the item within 30 days, you just drop it back off at a UPS store or even a Kohl's, and those returns will be shipped back for no charge to you. So I hope that helps you. I hope it's helpful to learn about this shopping, and I hope you experience it for yourselves. Happy shopping.